Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to fix pending update of Snap Store. Snap close the app to avoid disruption in Ubuntu. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I'm using a Ubuntu operating system on my Raspberry computer, right? So firstly let me show you the issue. So let me press Ctrl Alt T to open the terminal, and in the terminal, so let me try to type one command sudo snap refresh, and let me hit on enter. Let me type the password. Let me hit enter. So finally you can see this kind of error, right? So you can see here inside the error pending update of Snap Store. Snap close the app to avoid disruption and remaining 8 days left, right? So it's already showing here all the snaps are up to date. So how to fix this kind of issues that you're getting on your respective Ubuntu computer? So for this, what you need to do is just type snap space refresh space dash dash, type a time, hit enter, and now just type date and hit enter. Now what you need to do now, just type snap refresh space dash dash list. Now hit enter. Now you can see here below there is an update of Snap Store, right? So you can see here, but it's not updating even if you try to update it by using a sudo snap refresh. That means this application is running in the background. So in order to close this application that is being running on the background, what you need to do is just type sudo space kill all. Just type this command and hit space and type this name, or you can just copy it and just paste it here, and after that just hit enter. Now it will completely shut down or kill this Snap Store application that is being running in the background. So now let us try the first command again, sudo snap refresh, to try to update this Snap Store. Sudo space snap and click on refresh, click on enter. So now you can see it's downloading the Snap Store, so you need to wait for some seconds or minutes until this installation is done. So finally you can see the Snap Store file has been updated. Now let us try once more this command sudo snap refresh, and if it has been fixed or not, this issue is fixed or not, let us confirm now. So let us retype again snap space, so let us type again sudo snap space refresh now hit enter. Wait for a few seconds. So now you can see all the snaps are up to date and we are not getting any more notifications or the issues showing pending updates of Snap Store snaps. So Using this method, you can fix such kind of issues or notifications that is being showing about the pending update of Snap Store. Snap close the app to avoid disruptions in Ubuntu very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.